Greetings and welcome to Airgoons. This is the Jeff-17 Quick Start tutorial. Please do not follow this tutorial if you are operating a real JF-17, as the steps will be out of order for what's necessary to not, screw up your engine, among other things. First, talk to the ground crew here and select your loadout.
Request rearming.
Copy.
Come to your lower right. Turn on your battery, AC gen, DC gen. Hit the combat button to fire up your electronics. Crank up COM1, COM2, TACAN, and missile warning. Turn your environmental controls knob to normal. Adjust your internal lighting. Turn on your external lighting. It's important to have your anti-collision on so no one collides with you. Come over to the left, hit the start pump, engine control, uncage the throttle. Ensure it is in the furthest aft position. Press and hold the ground start button.
Rearming complete.
Engine's going. Okay, open up the oxygen. Turn your radio to transmit plus guard. Turn on your emergency hydraulics and showers. Connect your G-suit, suit oxygen. Arm your ejector seat by flipping down the safe and remove the safety pin. Come to the front, the UFCP, crank up your HUD brightness and UFCP brightness. Check your kneeboard for your starting coordinates and heading. You can type this in manually or talk to the ground crew and hit update INS aligned data. We also need to update the data cartridge in a similar fashion. Update DTC data.
Copy. Updating coordinates ready now.
The coordinates are ready. We can begin our INS alignment. Turn the INS knob from standby to fast.
DTC update complete.
Come to the center display. Update your heading manually. Our kneeboard says 093. Alignment is proceeding. Now that we've got our data cartridge, we can close the canopy. Put the cartridge in here with 2 clicks. Seal the canopy. Come to the left display, press all and enter to upload all of your data from the data cartridge. Once the SMS is loaded, it'll probably start complaining that your configuration does not match. That's your actual ordnance and fuel tanks with your FCS settings here. This adjusts angle of attack limiters, G limiters. Just flip them until the configuration light is extinguished. Now that the INS is at 0, we can turn the INS knob from fast to nav. The alignment warning will disappear. Now we can enable the IFF. Hit number 8 here to go to the IFF. Make mode 6 plus. Hit the upper right arrow to go to the other IFF setting, mode 6 plus. And now return. Go to COM2, press the arrow twice and enter the code 199, that's the data link code. And if you are flying with other Jeffs and someone is the leader, you just leave it on slave and change it from NE- to NE+. If you're the only Jeff in the area, like in single player missions or whatever, change it from slave to master and then NES. Hit return, hit the HNS button. This is just your internal inertial navigation system. Hit the arrow next to it to turn it to INS plus GPS. We'll keep your location up to date. Press return again. Now you can press 1 on the number row or your HOTAS button for nav mode. Puts you back into your nav mode here. Click the button next to for this clock here, and you can see that you're ready to roll in about 4 minutes. That's it. Happy flying.